Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the car and the connection. Connect your Model Y to a stable Wi-Fi network right away. This is how the update files arrive reliably. Make sure the vehicle is parked in park and has at least 20% battery. Tesla often requires charge to prevent interruptions. Next, open Controls software on the screen and tap the Wi-Fi icon. Once the car shows a strong connection, proceed to check for updates so the download can start. Once the download begins, monitor progress from the car or the Tesla mobile app. Downloads can take from a few minutes to over an hour depending on size and connection speed, so keep the car connected and prevent deep sleep by leaving driver profile active or using a robust hotspot. Use the app to see percent complete and, if available, set a preferred install window. This preserves driving time. Make sure not to interrupt power or network while files are being written to the vehicle. When installation is ready, accept the prompt in the car or tap Install in the app. The vehicle will lock, display progress, and reboot itself. This is normal. Installation generally lasts 20 to 40 minutes, so do not attempt to drive. Once done, systems will come back online with the new software. If the update fails or the car hangs, first reboot the center screen and reconnect Wi-Fi. If problems persist, use the app to contact Tesla support for a remote diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.